Morena, tamariki mā, whānau and kayako. Thanks for joining me again. It's great to see you. While I was looking for signs of Kōanga, spring, the other day, I was able to find some of my very favorite Manu birds, Tūī. Tūī are my very absolute most loved birds. I feel them, whenever I hear them singing, I feel it in my manawa, in my heart. And I'd love to share with you some videos of me and the Tūī. Okay. And tamariki mā, this is a kōwhai tree. I don't know if you can quite see them from here. There's lots and lots of Tūī in there. Oh, there he goes. They're all drinking up the nectar from inside the leaf. Inside the flower, sorry, inside the puti puti. Can you see them? Wow, aren't they special? Lots of Tūī. Kāpai. Tamariki mā, I think this is a kind of cherry blossom tree. And you see the beautiful, really dark pink flowers. But the most exciting thing about this one is it's absolutely full of Tūī. So we'll just be really quiet and see if we can hear them talking to us. Wow, isn't that amazing? We can see some more Tūī here, having their kai. They're moving around a lot, must be really yummy. Can you see them in the trees? Wasn't that beautiful? Did you feel the Tūī singing in your manawa, in your heart as well? I sure did. We know a song that has Tūī in it, don't we? We do. And let's sing it together. Toru wha, cuddly kiwi, Ruru too, Kākā and a kia, Kererū, Pīwakawaka, Tūī too, Pūkeko and takahē, Kākāpō. Hi tamariki mā. That song has lots of Manu in it, doesn't it? Different birds. I wonder if you've seen any of those around your house. Sometimes I see some Pīwakawaka and some Tūī, but I've never seen a Kākāpō or a kiwi. Have you seen a kiwi before? I'd love to hear about it. Okay, stay safe, look after your family, and have lots of fun. Ka kite anō, see you soon!